Hey, welcome to Ultrasonics. One of our local officers stopped by today and asked if we could clean a couple of these tranquilizer guns. Kind of a first for me. So let's take a look at what we've got after just a few minutes. You can see the parts. They're going to dry very quickly. We'll go ahead and wipe them off and then give them a good oil as we reassemble. But even for instance on this cap right here, when we started that was full of rust on the outside. We've taken care of that. We haven't hurt any of the surfaces. And you can see it's safe on all metals. We've got brass, we've got black oxide, we've got all kinds of things in here that it's safe on. And we do have another system called a Pro 2012 T3, which actually has 3 chambers, a wash, a rinse, and a oil. So check us out, Pro Gun Cleaning, and see if we can't help you out.